Hi, my name is Karla Mansur. I'm a divorce and family law attorney in Concord, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to divide the vacation home. So a lot of parties have a primary residence where they live throughout the year and a vacation home, probably on the Cape, maybe in Maine, that they spend their summers at. Those homes a lot of times have probably more sentimental value than they do actual value, which can make it complicated in terms of the division. But some of the houses have incredibly high values, in Nantucket, Martha's Vineyard, places like that. So how do we divide that? Well, it's like any other property. The court's going to want to know, well, what is the appraised value? And that's not the assessed value, that's the appraised value. So we need to hire an appraiser to come in and value the property, tell us what it's worth on the market. Those numbers fluctuate all the time, so you want to try to time the appraisal at a good time of year or an upswing in the market. It's not always possible, but it's something you want to consider. You also want to use a qualified appraiser that potentially could testify in court if it becomes necessary. The vacation home has some considerations that the marital home doesn't have, right? So the marital home, if you sell it while you're married, you have a $500,000 exclusion on the capital gains. So if the value of your house increases by $200,000, you're not paying any capital gains even if you sell it. Whereas a vacation home, an investment property, automatically has capital gains because it hasn't been your primary residence. Some people going through a divorce, knowing ahead of time that could potentially be an issue, will relocate to the vacation property, because in that instance, if you're there for 2 years, it can be considered a primary residence, and if you do sell it, you could benefit from the capital gains exclusion. So that's something to consider as well. But if you have to sell it as part of divorce, you are paying capital gains on any increase in it because it is an investment property. And essentially that's how it differs from the marital home in the division of the divorce assets.